how to buy pump token on Uniswap version 3. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, for that, go and open the Uniswap app. First of all, connect your wallet by clicking on connect. Now, select your wallet from here, as you can see. First of all, or for example, I will use the BitGet wallet for that. Now, I will just log into my wallet like that. And now click on connect. Now after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, if you don't see your token here, just go to the token page on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, go to contracts and click here to copy the token address. And remember, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain network. Now go back to Uniswap, click here, but first of all, make sure to select the BNB chain as a network. Now after that, you can paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it. Now click on don't show me this warning again and click continue. Now after our token shows up on the bottom, from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT, but make sure to stay selected the BNB chain as a network. Don't change it. Now type your token that you want to buy with. I will use the USDT for that. After that, you can type here how much you want to buy, and as you can see, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap, and a pop-up will be appeared from your wallet that you connected to Uniswap to be able to confirm the buy process to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy pump token on Uniswap version 3. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.